Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blink camera not showing live view on home screen. So in order to fix this issue, the best method that I can give you is to simply restart the camera. So to restart or power cycle the camera, you need to simply unplug it from the power source or remove the batteries if applicable. Then wait for a few seconds, then plug the camera back in or reinsert the batteries. Allow the camera to power up and initialize. This process can help resolve the temporary issues or glitches. If this method doesn't work for you, then you can even perform a factory reset, in which the factory resetting blink camera clears its settings and restores its default configurations. So you need to locate the reset button on the back of your camera. It is typically a small button that may require a paper clip or similar object to press. After that, you need to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the LED light on the front of your camera flashes red. This indicates that the reset process has begun. So once the LED light stopped flashing, the camera has been reset to its factory settings. If this method doesn't work for you, then you can even try to reset the sync module. So you need to locate the reset button on the back of your sync module. It's typically labeled and may require a small pointed object to press. After that, you need to press and hold the reset button for approximately 5 seconds using a small pointed object such as a paper clip or a pen. After holding the reset button for 5 seconds, you need to release it once the red LED on the sync module begins to flash. Upon releasing the reset button, observe the sync module's LED indicators. You should see a blinking blue LED following by a solid green LED. This indicates that the sync module has been successfully reset and is now ready to be set up again. So with the help of these three methods, you will definitely fix this issue. And if you do that, do let me know that in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching.